This is a typical mechanical engineering student. Do you ever have a problem falling asleep? As a typical mechanical engineering student, I gotta listen to filtered engine turbocharger sounds to fall asleep more quickly. Our program uses Fourier transform and correlation to select turbocharger sounds and removes unnecessary engine sounds from your favorite turbocharger sound compilations. Using our program, you can easily turn this into this. And fall asleep instantly.
First of all, the reference file and the file added by the user are loaded. Then the Fourier transform for both sides is made to see the signals in the frequency domain. After that, the low frequency sounds that can be seen at the end of the plots are cut out of the signals. Since the turbo sounds are at high frequencies, the noise is easy to cut out. Then the inverse Fourier transform is used on both sides of the files to get filter signals, which only include turbo sounds and high frequency noise. After that, the user supplied audio file is compared with the reference file. By using a correlation function, the supplied audio parts which correlate with the reference file can be found. The best correlations are picked by setting up a certain correlation index, in this case it's 50. Then, to prevent multiple repetitions at the same point, a minimum distance of 2 seconds between each correlation is set. Finally, the parts that resemble the reference are cut out and added together in a new file.